All right, hello, and thank you for joining us. This video is on Common Core Standard 5.MD.5.c on combining volumes, okay? So what we have here is an irregular polyhedron, and you can see the lengths of the units. Now, we've been talking about this for quite a few days. So you have to make it into two rectangular prisms. So I have another one I'm going to show you in a moment, but you're going to, this line segment here, we're just going to finish it off there, okay? And what it's going to look like, since I have it ready, like a cooking show, okay, and that's what it's going to look like, okay? So this is the same construction, okay? This is the same construction. All I did was I finished the line here, okay, and I colored in the bottom one in pink to really show the contrast between our new two separate polyhedrons, okay? All right, so we're going to talk about the dimensions of the green section first, okay? The green section first, okay? Now, the longest dimension is 5 units. The longest dimension is 5 units. I'm going to call that the length. I'm referring to the longest as 5, okay? Up here, the width, okay, we're going to call that 4, okay? And then the depth, the front to back dimension, okay, I call it the depth, okay? And for the 10,000th time, I just don't care what you call your dimensions. Okay? Now, because multiplication is commutative, the order simply doesn't matter. And I like multiplying things by 10 because it's so easy. So I'm going to do 5 times 2 first. So 5 times 2 is 10, and I'm bringing down the same 4, and we're going to multiply that, and it's 40. These are centimeters, okay? And they are cubic centimeters, okay? So that is the green. I'm highlighting it in green, and you see that. Okay, so that went well. Now we are going to do the same thing to this bottom pink section here. You see it there, okay? All right, so the longest dimension, or what I like to refer to as the length, is 6 centimeters, okay? I'm going to multiply that by 4, okay? That would be the base. That would be your base, length times width, okay? And then the height, I hope you can see, that's a good visual. You can see it there, that's 2, okay? And I'm going to refer to that as the height, okay? All right. So the order simply doesn't matter. I don't even care. I hereby choose to do 4 times 2 first because I can. This is the same 6 and the same multiplication. You would say quantity 4 times 2 equals 8, and 6 times 8, or 8 times 6, because again that's called a commutative, is 48 centimeters. What kind of centimeter? That's right, cubic. Okay, and I'm just going to put that in pink. Okay, because I really want to emphasize this. Okay, so I'm going to set this here. I hope you, yep, good. And there's the green there. Okay, so all we have to do now is add 40 to 48. Now I know a lot of you, many of you, can do that in your head, which is cool. But we're going to grind it out. So I'm going to come right here. Okay, 48, 4 10s, 8 1s. And then we have 40, which is 4 10s, and there are no 1s. So 8 1s plus 0 1s is 8. 4 10s plus 4 10s, or 40 plus 40 is 80. Okay, so the combined volume, the total volume of this construction is 88 centimeters cubed, or 88 cubic centimeters. Okay, so this is lesson 12.6 out of Pearson Math, okay? We've spent several days on it, okay? I'm signing off, and I hope you learned from that instructional video, okay? Take care.